Hi, I'm Yuji Watanabe from IBM Research. Today, I will talk about my ongoing job around Kubernetes manifest integrity. But the main topic of this today is more about the sharing my experience in the community collaboration in this Sigstore and OpenSSL. So I will explain my experience in the timeline in this Kubernetes manifest in the integrity area. So first, I'm Yuji Watanabe, and I'm senior technical staff member in IBM Research, and I'm.
You pull the microphone closer to your mouth
Yep.
since you have your mask on. Just so it's easier.
Okay, yeah. Okay. My main interest is software supply chain security, and in many areas, and so I will explain this today. So the first, I will explain how I meet with Sigstore community, and after that how I engage with the community in this area. So finally, I will explain our more future goal around the end-to-end software supply chain. So this is the kind of motivation I originally had. So maybe you see a lot of the instruction like this: download script from network, then do some shell script. A car bash example. The other example is if you deploy some application on the Kubernetes cluster. So you may see some instruction like this: kube create some URL. So this is a very typical instruction you will see in the installation instruction. But the question is, if this script is modified, compromised, you don't know what happened in your cluster. So same situation happen also in the Kubernetes YAML manifest like this. So if manifest is compromised, you may bring some bad application to your cluster. So this is the motivation. So before going to the details, so Kubernetes is basically the configuration management engine. So if you deploy some YAML manifest, Kubernetes controller changes your cluster state configuration according to the YAML manifest. So if YAML manifest is compromised, your cluster will also be compromised. So the manifest is very important. So the signature comes here. So if manifest is signed, you can check the manifest is not compromised and who provides that manifest. Then after confirming those manifest integrity, you can deploy the application to the cluster. So you can detect the tampering to the manifest before actually deploying the application. So that's why we need signature for the manifest. So then we started kind of the YAML manifest signing and enforcement project called Integrity Shield. It's last year, February, March, and we published the operator to the Open Operator Hub, and also that we published some blog to announce our new open source technology. So this is a starting point of our activity. So then we find some Sigstore had a big announcement. So we believe our project, integrity manifest integrity project, should be very related to the Sigstore's ultimate goal. So we contacted the Sigstore's technical advisory community. Then they gave us a suggestion we should present our initial idea to the community core. Then actually I joined the Zoom meeting. Then I presented the idea to all the Sigstore community. Then we got a lot of feedback. Some alignment is required with ongoing Sigstore project. So then the last year, we actually put our part of the core component of the Integrity Shield project to the Sigstore. So it includes manifest signing and verification. So this is the starting point of the collaboration with the Sigstore. So basically, this tool is the kind of plugin for the kubectl command. If you run the command like this, the manifest, Kubernetes YAML manifest has a signature annotation. So by deploying this manifest, anyone can verify the content of the manifest is not tampered. So that we add two annotation, message and signature, in the manifest annotation. So this is YAML manifest first contribution. Then we expected to have the more broader collaboration with the open source community. So after this, we got some contact from the other community, Kubernetes Policy Working Group. So so then they had some interest in how we use manifest signing in the to make the YAML policy protect YAML policy integrity. So we presented our ongoing idea, Integrity Shield and Sigstore signing tool, to the Kubernetes Policy Working Group called early this year. So we got also a lot of feedback. So this is kind of different community from the Sigstore, but they are also very interested in the Sigstore technology. So we presented this. Then some guys, many people shows some interest, and one guy from the Kyverno community, he actually suggested us to integrate this new YAML manifest signing capability to the Kyverno project. Kyverno is a very famous policy engine, Kubernetes native policy engine. It protects the Kubernetes resource based on the policy. So they already have the integrity policy for the image signature, but they didn't have the capability to verify the manifest signature. So by bringing our manifest signing technology to the Kyverno can protect both artifacts, the image and YAML manifest. So for this, we collaborated with the Kyverno community. Actually, I submitted a new feature extension proposal to the Kyverno, and this is we did some code contribution to the Kyverno in the latest release. So it's actually published in the included in the Kyverno 1.8, the announced last month. So Kyverno is very popular. So if you bring the Kyverno policy engine to your cluster, and then you sign the YAML manifest by using our signing tool, then you can protect the manifest and by using Sigstore signing, and it can be verified at the cluster side. So then we present, actually this is a very expanded collaboration for us. So we started from Sigstore, but we could collaborate with other community based on the Sigstore. So then I actually presented at SigstoreCon this year in Detroit last month. This person is Jim Bagwadier from the Nirmata. He is a member, one of the key contributor to the Kyverno, and he and I presented this new work on the SigstoreCon this year. So actually, the woman presented here, this is my colleague. She actually contributed to the new version of the Kyverno code. So she actually recognized from the community regarding the contribution of this. So this is very happy moment for me that we could collaborate with the community and had some impact in this. So then actually based on this Sigstore signing manifest signing project, we had a three session talk at KubeCon this year. So one is about the Kyverno integration, another one is Argo CD integration, and another one is open cluster management integration. So many pieces, all these work are basically based on the YAML manifest signing technology based with Sigstore. So this collaboration expand our activity collaboration in this open source community. So this was really happy moment for me. So from this, we are trying to create the so-called end-to-end supply chain. What does this mean? Basically, so for milk is produced from in the plant and packaged securely. But if from the end user viewpoint, the milk must be delivered securely, maintained in your refrigerator, and then until before you actually drink the milk. So all these paths must be protected. Software is also same. So from the Git repo, it's built as a product, its image, but it also has produced some manifest to deploy the application. So then it comes to the cluster, then application is deployed on the cluster. So all these delivery paths must be protected. So maybe you can easily imagine the many attack point here. So image might be compromised, manifest might be compromised before actually deployed on the cluster. Even after deploying the application, and some attacker comes into the cluster, the manifest may be changed. So all these points should be protected by some mechanism. So our goal is to protect those integrity by using signature mechanism. Image signature is cosine, but we added another one additional signature protection on the manifest. So both image and manifest can be protected by Sigstore signing. So this can enhance the whole end-to-end the supply chain. So this is our team. Actually, our team is working on this and still ongoing. So I'm very happy to join this community and collaboration, and I'm looking forward to working with you all and in this very exciting community. Thank you so much.